alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Here is your English teacher Miss Aisha. I welcome you to another exciting English lesson. So dear students, today we will learn two grammar concepts. The first one is gender and the second one is numbers. As you know in English, by numbers we mean singular nouns and plural nouns. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to define masculine and feminine gender. Identify masculine gender and feminine gender nouns. Form the feminine gender nouns from masculine gender nouns. You will learn rules of making plural nouns from singular nouns. So let's start our today's topic, and the first one is gender nouns. Masculine, feminine, common, and neuter are the four types of gender nouns in English. Male member of a species is a masculine gender noun. For example, uncle, king, hero, bull, etc. A female member of a species is a feminine gender noun. For example, aunt, queen, heroine, cow, etc. A common gender noun is used for either or both males and females. For example, leader, student, pilot, etc. A neuter gender noun refers to a member of a species which is neither a male nor a female. Inanimate things are neither male nor female, so they are neuter. For example, tree, car, computer, eye, and body. So, I hope you understand about gender. Now let's move to the next topic, that is numbers. Nouns, singulars and plurals. A noun can refer to one or more than one person, animal, place, or thing. A noun that names one person, animal, place, or thing is called a singular noun. For example, a boy, a cat, a house, a flower. A noun that names more than one person, animal, place, or thing is called a plural noun. For example, boys, cats, houses, flowers. We add s to most of the nouns to show their plural form. We add es to nouns that end in ch, sh, o, s, double s, x, and z to get their plural forms. For example, ostrich, ostriches, dish, dishes, mango, mangoes, bus, buses, princess, princesses, fox, foxes, quiz, quizzes. Sometimes some words ending in o take only s in its plural form. example, piano, pianos. Look, the plural of ox is oxen, not oxes. The nouns that end in a consonant followed by y change into plural form by changing the y to I and then adding es. For example, city, cities; country, countries. Hey, don't drop the y from monkey. The plural of monkey is not monkeys, it is monkeys. Just add s at the end. The nouns that end in a vowel followed by y change into plural form simply by addition of s. For example, key, keys. To form the plural of a noun that ends in f or fe, we replace the f or fe with ves. For example, leaf, leaves. A few words do not follow the rule. For example, chef, chefs. Some nouns have the same form in singular and plural. For example, sheep, hare, deer, bison. Nouns that do not form plurals in the usual way are called irregular nouns. Few singular nouns form their plural by changing the inside vowel or vowels. For example, man, men; tooth, teeth. So dear students, I hope you learned both the concepts. Now let's see, what did you learn? You learned masculine gender and feminine gender nouns. You learned to form the feminine gender nouns from given masculine gender nouns. You learned rules of converting singular nouns into plural nouns. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. So try to learn these concepts and practice them with more examples. Now take care of yourselves and Allah Hafiz.